Hi, Tom Stuker here, and I've got some great news for you. Beginning in February, I'll be part of a team that will launch the greatest automotive dealers marketplace ever. It's called Dealer's Choice Expo. As a decision maker at your dealership, finding quality products, services, trainers, and consultants to effectively improve your business, it's not easy and it's always time consuming. Time is money, and Dealer's Choice Expo is going to save you both. Dealer's Choice Expo is a place for you to find the very best offers from the best businesses, and it's available to you 24/7. You know, I've been consulting dealers for over 30 years. When I started in this business, there was a very small community of trainers, consultants, and vendors to serve the automotive industry. Since then, that community has grown exponentially with more specialization, helping you address specific needs in your dealership. It's really hard for a dealer to keep up on all that stuff. That's why Dealer's Choice Expo exists. It's like going to an expo or a trade show without ever leaving your desk. Twice per month, we will announce new offers from these top companies that will help you in every department throughout your dealership. It's the most effective way for dealership decision makers to address their needs in today's fast and challenging marketplace. Be watching for Dealer's Choice Expo in your inbox early February.